Hello, this is Mr. Alvin. Welcome to HTCA, How to Check Your Answers Episode 2. So today we'll be covering the topic indices. I'm gonna play a mini game with you. I'll be showing you two answers and you're gonna tell me which of these is correct, okay? So I'm gonna give you 5 seconds. Ready? Go. Actually, I was just tricking you. Both of the answers are wrong. Okay, cannot cheat So if you got tricked just now, you're gonna comment, oh no, I got tricked by Mr. Alvin. If you did not fall for the trick, you are going to comment, this trick does not work on me. I won against Mr. Alvin. Alright, I'm gonna show you a way to check answers for indices. So assuming that the students have already done the working, t to the power of 24 minus power of 4, and the student actually log in t to the power of 20. So how are we supposed to check? I want you to assume that the letter T, so assume T equals to 2, all right? Select a small number, and in this case, I select 2. All right, so you're going to use your calculator, type this, okay? Type this by replacing T as 2. So let me show you. I'm going to put 2, and then power is 24. Follow the question, divide by 2 again to the power of 4. All right, follow exactly same, press equal. So you're gonna remember this number 1048576. I'm gonna do that. So you use your pencil to kind of write here 1048576. Now repeat again by checking your calculator, type this and replace t with 2. So I'm gonna do that. 2. Now replace power with 20 and you are going to check. It's going to be the same. See that? So 1048576. So it's tally. 1048576. So this 2 is tally. Okay, that's how you check. Alright, let's proceed with the second question. So let's say this student log in x to the power of 7 and the student show this working. So how are we supposed to check? Again, I want you to assume now x equals to 2. All right, so I am going to type this, replacing 2 into the calculator. So let's try that. I am going to put exactly same bracket 2 power of 5, close. Oops, I need to go here. Close and power of 2 again. So you can type like this and you're going to press equal. So 1024. I'm going to use a pencil to write this will get me 1024. So now your turn is to check this. X to the power of 7. You're going to replace 2 inside here. So let's do that. 2 to the power of 7. Press equal. So you get the answer 128. And that's how you found out the answers are not matching. So you know this is wrong. And your working is wrong. So what is supposed to be the correct working? So let me show you. It's supposed to be x power of 5 multiplied with 2 on top. So you're supposed to get x power of 10. Okay, now let's check again one more time by replacing 2 and then power of 10 this time. So 2 power of 10, 1024. So you can check by substituting sub x equals to 2, I indeed get 1024. So I know this is the correct working and answer. Let's see this question. The student trying to log in 27 m to the power of 6. So again, once again, you're just going to assume the letter m is 2. Type in exactly this into the calculator. So let's show you that. I am going to type in bracket, just follow 81. Now here, side by side means multiply, yeah? So 81 is actually multiplying with m. So teacher is going to do that. Multiply with, replace m with 2. I can see power of 8. So I'm going to key in this. Okay, now close the bracket. And again, power of 3 over 4. So I will just use this button over here. Put in 3. Bottom is 4. Gonna press equal now. So remember this number 1728, okay? 1728. So teacher is gonna write with a pencil 1728. Now, one more time, you're going to check your answers here using a calculator. Replace m with 2. So 27 multiply with 2 power of 6. Let's check. 1728 also, yeah. So we are going to just check 1728. Tally, I knew the answers are correct and the working is correct as well, yeah. So this will give me the marks, 2 marks over here. Let's say you have negative indices like this. So you have a fraction and then power of negative 2. So how to do this kind of question? You're going to reverse the fraction. 2 over 3 you write as 3 over 2. And then your power will become a positive. So from negative, notice that it will become positive. So is this answer right or wrong? Let's check. So you're going to use a calculator. Key in the question first. So I'm going to put bracket, fraction, 2 over 3. Close the bracket, and then power of negative 2. So you will see 9 over 4 shown here. So I'm going to use a pencil to kind of write here 9 over 4. Let's check our answer whether our conversion is correct or wrong. So teacher is going to put bracket, fraction 3 over 2. So bottom one put 2. Close the bracket and then power of 2. So let's see. Indeed, it's matching. Yeah, see? So this is also 9 over 4. And that's how I know my conversion is correct. So let's do one more time. Yeah, negative indices. So you will see the fraction 1 over 10 and then power of negative 3. So how to do this kind of question? You reverse the fraction. 1 over 10 become 10 over 1. And then negative power will become positive power. So just copy back the number 3. Alright, so 10 over 1, teacher knows is actually 10 only. So let's check whether our conversion is correct or wrong. So check the question first. Bracket, fraction, 1 over 10. Close the bracket, power of negative 3. Press equal. So I can see 1000. So write 1000. Now we're going to check our final answer. So put in your bracket, 10. Close, power of 3. Press equal. Indeed, teacher get 1000 also. So that is how I know my conversion is correct. Yeah. Hey, if you are new to the channel and you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel before, do consider liking and subscribing to the channel for more mathematics tips and tricks. Let's continue back with our lesson. Let's show you from start how to do this past year question. So 3 to the power negative q, I am going to copy that. Multiply with 1 over 27 equals to 81. Now, here's the trick. When you do this kind of question, right, I am pretty sure this number right here can become base 3 and 81 also can become base 3. So you're going to use a calculator to check. So you just pretend like you're going to type 3 power of 1. You didn't get 27. 3 power of 2. It's not 27. Let's check. Just keep checking, yeah. I found out, 3 power of 3 is going to be 27. So teacher is going to convert 1 over 3 power of 3. Press equal, just copy back. Okay, now I'm going to check 81. What is the base 3 here? So again, 3 power of 4. Let's see. Okay, I get 3 power of 4 is 81. Yeah, so convert that. 3 power of 4. Okay. Now, remember this kind of pattern over here, right? Can be converted into a negative indices, yeah? So I'm going to convert that. So this one, copy back, multiply with, okay, so you're actually going to shift up, become negative 3, and then copy back equals to 3 power of 4. So you want to check whether your conversion of this is the same as this 1 over 27 or not. Very simple. Let's check. First step, take your calculator, do 1 over 27. Okay, so do that first. Now you will be looking at 0.037. Okay, so I press this button here, 0.037. Remember this. All right, so I am gonna use a calculator, confirm this, 0.037. Now check this, whether your conversion is correct or wrong. So you are gonna do that. 3 to the power of negative 3. Just check. Okay, indeed, yeah, you can see the answer is going to be the same. So you know your conversion is correct. All right, continue working on your steps. Now, when you see a multiplication, so you're going to take the power plus power. So that will be your next working. 3 negative q plus now copy back negative 3 equal, bring down your numbers, okay? So 3 power 4. Now, the moment you see that the base is same, you can now use comparison technique. So just take the power equals to power. Just write negative q. Positive negative will become negative equals. Now take the power of 4, put it here. Okay, now solve. Bring your negative 3 towards the other side will become plus. So you're going to write negative q equals to 4 plus 3. So just continue to simplify. This is 7. Okay, now we can't leave the answer as negative q because your question here asking for positive q. So you're actually going to shift your negative towards the other side. So this will be my answer. I'm going to log in here first. Okay, now again, I want to know whether my answer is correct or wrong. Very simple. You're going to take negative 7, replace here. Okay, replace back into the question. So now be very careful. Okay, so type in your question now. So 3 to the power of, now here is a negative, so you will have to type the same, negative. And then your answer is negative 7, yeah? Just be careful, type in negative 7. Now, multiply, copy, so just key in multiply. 1 over 27, so you just follow 1 over 27. Okay? Now, we're going to press equal and see if you can get 81. You can see, right? It's matching 81. So that's how you know your answer is correct. So teacher is very confident now that this answer is correct, and I check by typing into the question also. Yeah, so that's how you check. Okay, let's show you this example. The student saw, oh, it's a 1-mark question and straight away put in the answer 5. So sometimes you can get wrong if you did not check the answer. Let me show you how to check. So the student said x is 5, remember, x is 5, and we have another algebra t here. So we need to replace t with something else. I'm going to assume t is 2. Assuming that t is 2 and the student say x is 5. So you're going to key in your calculator. So 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 5 multiply with t squared. So t is 2, yeah, remember? So 2 squared. Let's press equal. Now the answer is 128. So I'm going to use a pencil, just kind of write 128. So that is left hand side. Before the equal sign, left hand side is 128. Let's check 2 power of 10. See if it's tally or not. So 2 to the power of 10. Okay, you get 1024, and then you know this is not tally. And I'm going to write 1024. So you know it's not tally, then my answer is wrong. That's how you check, okay? So what is supposed to be the correct answer, you will have to show working actually, even though it's a 1-mark question. So let us try to do that. So you do t. When I see multiplication for indices, basically it's x plus 2 on top, power plus power, and then you write t equals to 10. Now using the comparison technique when your base is same, this is what you call base t. So the base are same now, so you're going to write power equals to power. So x plus 2 equals to 10. So in order to find the value of x, you're going to move plus 2 towards the other side to become minus 2. So write your working, x equals to 10 minus 2. Simplify, you'll get x equals to 8. So now I'm going to check my answer, x equals to 8 this time. Let us do that. So retype again, t is 2. Power of 8 multiply 2 power of 2. Okay, press equal. Now you get 1024 this time. So it's actually balancing with the right hand side. So you know x is 8. That's how you check. That's it for this one. So I really hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I really appreciate that you can comment honestly whether you got tricked initially or you didn't fall for the trick initially, okay? Let's see over the years how many students actually got tricked by Mr. Elvin. Yo, this teacher always like to trick students one. Let's see. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.